Hi everyone, today in this video I'll show you few simple ways using which you can fix your webcam if it is not working in Windows 11. Simply look for the privacy shutter that is located just above the webcam. Simply slide that shutter and see if the camera gets back to working state or not. If it is not working, then you can also apply this. Simply search for camera privacy settings. Make sure the camera access is turned on. Now turn on the applications for which you need the camera access. Once done, close the settings page. You can also try this. Go to Device Manager. Now expand the camera option. Right click over it and simply click on Uninstall Device and click on Uninstall. Now click on the Scan Hardware option and it will reinstall back the webcam driver. However, if it is not showing, simply click on View and click on Show Hidden Devices, and then you can perform the same steps. You can also try downloading the latest camera driver from your vendor's website. You can also comment down and I'll help you find the exact driver. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.